Lactose Pure is a high-quality disaccharide carbohydrate widely recognized for its exceptional purity, consistency, and versatility across numerous industrial, laboratory, and nutritional applications. Derived primarily from milk sources, this compound is meticulously refined to meet stringent quality standards, ensuring its suitability for sensitive formulations such as pharmaceutical excipients, specialized dietary products, and research-based laboratory preparations. In the pharmaceutical sector, Lactose Pure is extensively utilized as a filler, binder, and carrier in tablet manufacturing due to its excellent compressibility, stability, and inert nature, making it ideal for delivering active ingredients without interfering with drug efficacy. Its consistent particle size distribution and low hygroscopicity enhance flow properties, ensuring superior performance in high-speed table eating and capsule production. Additionally, its exceptional solubility and non-reactive characteristics make it a preferred choice for dry powder inhalation systems and other precision dosage forms. Beyond pharmaceuticals, Lactose Pure plays a vital role in the food and beverage industry, serving as a natural sweetener and texturizer in products such as infant formula, confectionery items, bakery goods, and dairy-based beverages. Its mild sweetness, stability under processing conditions, and compatibility with other ingredients make it an essential additive for enhancing flavor and improving the overall sensory profile of finished goods. Moreover, Lactose Pure serves as a reliable carbohydrate source in microbiology and biotechnology applications, acting as a fermentation substrate and a critical nutrient in culture media formulations. Its use extends into specialized areas of research, where consistent chemical properties are crucial for reproducibility and accuracy. With its unmatched purity, dependable performance, and multi-industry adaptability, Lactose Pure remains a cornerstone ingredient trusted by manufacturers, researchers, and formulation experts globally for producing high-quality, safe, and effective products.